Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I've got a beautiful 1956 Chevrolet Corvette to show you. I want to apologize, it's a little windy here, so you may be hearing some gusty winds, but I'll do my best to keep my voice up and try to explain everything. But this one is finished in Onyx Black, original color with the red interior. I'll show you the paint. It's been finished in a base coat, clear coat. Paint's been on it quite a while, I'd say 15-20 years, but really looks nice, has a nice deep shine to it. Now during the restoration, this would have originally been a 265 V8. It is now a 283 with a few little performance upgrades, if you want to call it, to make it a little bit more drivable for today's conditions. And I'll explain some of that here in a little bit. Wheels and tires, you've got the original style knockoff wheel covers, and these are a polyglass wide white wall. Kind of finished, if you will. I guess the engine is sort of a little bit of a resto mod. I prefer hot rod, but kind of like that. But if somebody wanted to take it and put it back to original, it wouldn't be much. It's really engine stuff, and I'll show you that as we go along. But all the trim and bright work is present around the coves. Looks nice. All the glass is nice. Nice, a lot of trim on these for a little car. Take the interior here. Windows are nice, roll up and down easily. You've got this original Daytona style carpeting and floor mats, and then we have floor mats to protect the floor mats, so I just left those in there. You got the nice original pleating in the seats. This is original style interior. Now I want to show you, see that pod down there? Of course that's not factory, but it looks like it could be. Kind of cool. Someone had an idea there to put some auxiliary gauges in. Pretty neat. This is the waterfall. This is your button to open up the tonneau, I guess, for the top. And this is your glove box here. Dash is nice. Jams are nice. Dusty there. Doors closed nice. Fitment is excellent. This has two tops. Showing it obviously with the top off, it's just easier. It's a little easier for me to get in, has a white soft top and a black hard top. And if you go to the website, you can see both configurations, and I'll talk a little bit more about that here in a few minutes. Dual exhaust coming through these little bumperettes, which is factory, looks cool. All the chrome is nice on the car. Show you in the trunk here. So you've got like a, trunk mat. This just, spares under here, but nice and clean under there. Very nice. Nice up under here. This car's finished off very well. It looks very nice. Did a nice job on the restoration. Don't need to slam the trunk or anything. Fitment is good here as well. You might want to keep a very soft towel around, because as you know, with a black car, you're going to be wiping it a lot. the dust. It's not that it's dirty, it's just dusty. But let me take a minute or two to tell you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com. If you go there, I've got pictures of the Corvette, of course. Pictures of the exterior, 3 configurations: top down, soft top on, hard top on, so you can see what it looks like in all 3 variations of that. I've got pictures of the undercarriage as well. You want to see that. Nice and clean down there, or under there. It looks good. Yeah, it's a nice little car. It drives nice, There wasn't a lot of option for seating. I mean, you had the seats in there, and well, that was about it. But you know, these first generation Corvettes, which you know ran from 1953 through 1962, this being a little bit closer to the earlier style, but very cool looking. Always a sought after cool Corvette. All your whiskers and so forth are nice as well. Did a nice job on the restoration. They really did. So you've got your standard gauges up here, and this is a Wonder Bar radio, which is supposed to seek back and forth, but I don't see that. Doesn't seem to be functioning. I think I mentioned that. I can see a light on, but I'm not hearing any sound out of it. Go ahead and pop the hood. I'm going to show you that engine. Again, you know, door fitment, excellent. Probably every bit as good, if maybe even better than it was originally. That's nice fitment there. Got your little air ducts here that just look cool. I don't think they do anything. And your cowl here, the little vent, that works on the inside. Up front here, original grille, beautiful chrome, excellent. The bumperettes with your license plate holder here. Headlight doors, little bumpers, turn signals work. It's a sweet little car. Let me open the hood. So this is a 283. Kind of hard to tell the difference between a 283 and a 265. I'm sure somebody knows some little nuance, but at any rate, obviously, you know, upgraded to a single wire alternator. This would have originally been a generator. Aluminum radiator, electronic ignition, coated headers. Still got your drum brakes. Aluminum manifold. Just a nice running little car, fun to drive, very cool, just cruise around. I'll show you on the other side as well. Got your water pump, shielding and whatnot there. Clutch fan. So really they kind of, what they did is they restored this car, you know, so you could actually drive it and not just have it sit in a museum, like probably most of them are. But you know, what a fun little car to drive. Speaking of driving, what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the Corvette, start it. You'll hear it run. I'll just drive it around the parking lot a little bit, so you kind of get a sense of, you know, what it looks like moving under its own power, and you can hear it. It's a cool sounding car. I indicated in the text that it has maybe a little bit of a camshaft in it. If it is, it's very slight, but just enough to sound cool, which is what we all like, of course. But we'll take that for a little spin and we'll come right back. drive, easy to steer, fun to drive. You know, you can probably drive this thing anywhere you want. It's really a fun little car. 4-speed transmission, differential, original 355 to 1 gearing. You've got that 283 in there that provides a little bit more performance. So yeah, you know, what's not to like? It's cool. It's got an excellent color combination. The paint is deep and shiny and glossy. Shows excellent. The interior, vibrant red. I mean, it's just a cool car. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1956 Chevy Corvette, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.